Nigel Tribe, welcome back to another video. Today we are making homemade coconut milk. Why go to the store and buy it when you can make it at home for cheaper, it tastes better, and it's less than 5 minutes? Who wouldn't do it? So today it's just 2 ingredients and we make this beautiful luscious coconut milk, and I'm going to show you some other examples of how you can actually use this coconut milk in other recipes throughout the week. So stay tuned, guys. Now we're going to start with water, warm water in our blender, and we're going to add in the unsweetened shredded coconut flakes. Let the milk blend for about 4 to 5 minutes on high speed. While it's blending, you can get your other materials set up. So I have a bowl to collect the milk and a fine mesh sieve that we're going to strain the coconut milk through. Now you don't have to strain it, you can drink it as is. But I'm big on texture, so I like to strain everything, and plus I want to use a byproduct for some other recipe ideas and other videos coming up. Now that you pour your milk through your fine mesh sieve, stir frequently to get as much of the milk out as possible. We're going to take this initial byproduct of coconut milk and we're going to pour that back into the blender and make another batch of coconut milk, just adding 1 more cup of shredded coconut flakes. All of the dimensions and measurements will be in the description box below. So here we've added the remaining byproduct of the first batch of coconut milk to the warm water, and we're adding 1 more cup of shredded coconut flake, and we're going to blend again for 4 to 5 minutes to make the second batch of coconut milk. Now we're simply repeating the process, pouring the milk through a fine mesh sieve. And once we begin stirring, and you can also make another batch of coconut milk if you wish, but now I'm going to take this byproduct and make several other recipes that I'm going to show you in the next week's video. Second batch is complete. Now we have 64 ounces of fresh, gorgeous coconut milk that we can use for a number of recipes. Just put a tight lid on this and place it in the refrigerator, and it'll be good for 4 to 5 days there.